Good morning students, welcome to AutoCAD session. Today we will be discussing about drawing this part using lines command. So here the units is in millimeters. As you know that our unit has to be set in millimeters. First go to the AutoCAD, then type units, 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 enter. Give the precision here as 0.00. Give the precision as 0.00 and check if it is millimeters. If not, then downwards, then go to millimeters. Okay. So I'll tell you how to draw this in the easiest format. Select a line, start from a point here, draw a line 20 millimeter, 20, give the value as 20, move upwards, again a line, give the dimension as 10, first 20, 10, then take a right and draw this horizontal line which is 40. Then now we are here 40, come down again 10, again it is 10, then again we will go to 50. So start from 20, 10, then 40, come down to 10 again, then 50. So after 50 now we are in this point here. From here draw 30, from here draw 30, then to the left again 30, then to the top again 15, then to the right again 30, then again upwards 20. So stop with this portion. So until 20 you draw it, because you can see that until 20 we have the dimensions. The rest, this is not unknown for us, so just stop it there. Then you know that this height is 90. So here you have to give the value as 90. The value is 90. So here you have to type the value 90. So this value is 90. Just draw a line upwards to 90. Then draw another line to the right which is 30 millimeters. 30. This line is 30. Then again draw a line downwards which is 15. So this line, a small line which is going to be 30 again. From here draw 30, downwards 15, then to the right again 30. So similarly here also it is going to be 15 because it is of the same height. So give this as 15. Then finally the small length 20. So after this you have all these portions. Now you need to, before joining this, look at the drawing. The line is just like this, inclined. So from we have drawn this line. Now there is a point to the left and right which is 10. So I will select a line, draw a line from here to the left, as 10, enter. Then again I'll delete this dimension. So this is 10 to the left. Again from this point I will draw 10 to the right. Enter. Once you have this line 10, 10, just you can see that now you have this 10 extra here. Now once you have this 10 extra and 10 extra here, select the line and join this to this point. At the same time, select in the opposite direction this line and join this to this point. So the final step of our drawing is to join this point to this point. So let us join this point from here, end of 20, to this end of this 20. Escape. So once it is done, your whole drawing is complete. You can see that the drawing is complete with all the required dimensions. Just complete the drawing and then just give the dimensions. Save as, go to save as your name, and it is our task 3. Hi students, so we are coming to our activity 5. We are skipping activity 4. You can do it at home. Activity 5 we'll do it in the class right now. So you have this drawing to be done. The first time you are getting used to introducing angles onto it. So here you can mark all this. For example, A to B it is 2 units. So first and foremost is you set the units here, set the units in inches. For example, type units, UNITS, units in inches, units in inches. Check for the precision 0.00, it's fine, and the unit should be in inches, and OK. So let us go to the drawing. The first is A to B. A to B is a straight line which is 2 inches. So select a line, draw a line A to B. As you know, the value is inches. Enter. The next value is, you can see that B to C, it is 1 inches and 135 degrees. So how to draw this? For example, I will show you. There is a shortcut method to do this. Select the line, and how much we need? Select the line, and B to C is 1, and the angle is 135. Okay, now look at this. I am clicking on this surface. Look at the angle here. So you can see that it shows 0 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees is somewhere here. So can you type 135? No. So it is 90, and here you need to type a value here. For example, if you need to draw that 135, you need to give this 45-degree angle here. For example, if I am giving for how much is 180 minus 135. In order to draw this angle, you need to find out the angle. AutoCAD calculates angle like this. When you start drawing, this is 0 for AutoCAD, this is 90, this is 180 like this. So 135 angle is For AutoCAD it is something between here. So how will you find out? 180 minus 135. So you can do the math calculation. 180 minus 135, which is equal to 45. So let us draw this 45 with B to C as 1. So how will you draw this 45? You have a command in your keyboard. You have to use the command in your keyboard which is called tab command. I will show you. For example, this is a command called tab. In your keyboard you will have this command. By pressing tab, once you press tab, you can see you can toggle between the length. Now the length 6.54 is showing and 26 degree is not active. In order to make that active, click on tab button on your keyboard, tab, and 26 will be active. Now you enter the value 45 and now angle is correct, and now you need to give the length of it. You can see that 6.54 is not highlighted. In order to highlight 6.54, you need to click on tab command on your screen, tab command on your keyboard. Press tab and give the value here as B to C as 1. Enter. Escape. Now you have drawn this. Now you can check. For example, here if you are checking angle, there is an option called angular. Click on angular, click on the first line and the second line. You can see that it is 135. Now we'll go with the next one, C to D. C to D is 3 inches and D to E is 4. So we will give 3 inches from here. Just type 3, enter. Then again I am typing 4, enter. So now we are at this point. Now you have E to F. E to F is 2. E to F, just draw E to F as 2, enter. So the next angle is F to G. F to G is 120 degrees. Let's F to G is 1 inch in length. So 120 and 1 inch. Now you need to select line. Click on here. You can see that the toggle comes. First angle. You can see the angle 90. So 120 is correct for us here. We need 120. So click on the tab button on your keyboard. Now click on tab. You can enter the value 120. Once you enter the value, click again on tab button, and here now the length is highlighted and you need to press 1 for that. 1, enter. So after that, now we are here in F to G. We need to complete it. This is 80 degrees. So G to H is 1.5 and 80 degrees. So I'll click again. So how will I type this 1.5? Look, in AutoCAD the problem is it won't take this 80 degrees just like that. So for example, it is starting from here. Here this point is 0, this is 60 and this is 90. So what is the distance between from 60 to 90? You need 80 between a V type angle, 80 between. So here it is 60, here it is 90. That means 60 to 90 you have 30. Now you need to take, in order to have 80, you need to have 50 more extra, right? Here it is 90. This angle between this is 30. And now you need 50 more extra. So what will you do? 90 plus 50. 90 plus 50, which is equal to 90 plus 30 is 120. 120 plus 20, which is equal to 140. So click on the tab button, type 140. Now again click on tab button and click on the value 1.5, then pick enter. So now you can check that this is angular. You can see that we will take angular from here, angular, select this line and this line, and it will be 80, and it will be 80. So what is the next step? Then H to I. H to I, you have the length, it is 1.5. Select the line from here, H to I, give the value as 1.5, enter. So now we are here. There is only one line left. You can see that A to J is 2. It's a straight line, perpendicular line, so it's easy. A to J, it's 2. Sorry. A to J is 2, enter. Then you need to join between these 2 points. Okay, that's it. So after this you can give, this is a straight line. So how to give dimension for straight line? Here you need to change it to straight line. Select the first point and select the second point. So it is 2 here. But here it is an angular line, inclined line. You cannot use this symbol again, linear symbol, to complete it. In order to use that, in order to give dimension, here you have something called aligned for inclined. Select aligned, select the first point, select the second point. Now you have the value for that. Now it is a straight line. Again you need to change it to linear. Select the first point, select the second point, give the value as 3. Again we need linear. Select the first point, select the second point, and it's 4. Again it is straight line means linear lines. Select the first and second point, it's 2. So here comes the inclined lines. So how will we select it? Go to the drop down, go for this aligned, select the first point, select the second point, and it is 1. Similarly, again click aligned, first point and second point, 1.5. It is 1.5, it has to be 1.5. Then again select this point and this point. It will not work. Why? Because it is inclined. So you have to go to linear, select this one, select this point, 1.5. Again select linear, select the first point and the second point. I hope it is clear for you. So we'll complete this task tomorrow, and then we'll apply it in our class kit.